physical parts of a computer, the things that we can see and we can touch. So, ang mga hardware is katong printer, keyboard, mouse, and katong storage device, processing device. So, muna siya ay hardware. Next is software.
Now let's talk about software. Software is a set of instructions of programs that tell the hardware what to do. Unlike software, we cannot touch software because it is digital. It only exists in the computer's memory. So these are the main types of software. Number 1 is system software. This controls and manage example, the operating system like Windows, Mac OS, and Android. Without system software, the computer cannot start or run. Application software, this allows users to specific tasks. Example are Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Google Chrome, and games.
So, that's all. Thank you, everyone.
Mabuhay.